Dad, I think Triggs' tail is being super extra waggy today. Listen, swish, swoosh, swish, swoosh.
Careful with that tail now, Triggs.
Whoops, there goes the umbrella stand.
Oh, sorry. I'm sure my tail didn't mean to do it. It's just so happy.
Ah, Triggs, and now your tail has knocked the keys off the table.
Oh, I really can't help it. My tail has a life of its own. Woof, woof.
I'm going to take the shopping to the kitchen, where it'll be safe from that waggy tail.
Come into the sitting room, Triggs. I have something for you.
Oh, what is it? What's in the bag, Maddie?
It's a brand new...
New what? What?
Actually, Maddie, I think this isn't the best time to give that present to Triggs. It might be too much excitement all at once.
Too late. The present just rolled out of the bag.
Oh, it's a new ball. Oh, Maddie, I love it.
I knew you would, Triggs. Especially when you heard this.
Woof, woof, it squeaks. Let me try. Oh, I'm so happy right now.
I'm glad you're happy, Triggs, but remember to be careful with that tail. Mind the blackboard easel. Look out for Maddie's scooter. Ah, there go the newspapers on the coffee table. And he's heading for the kitchen. Careful with that tail.
Look, Mrs. S, a new ball.
Oh, it's very cool. Oh, and look at how waggy your tail is.
Triggs, mind that shopping bag. It's full of eggs.
Oh no! I think they're all broken.
Oh, no.
It's okay, Triggs. Accidents happen. We can get more eggs. I know you didn't mean to do it.
And I know that Triggs wouldn't be Triggs without the happiest, waggiest tail.
Possibly in the whole world.
But sometimes I do wonder, why does Triggs' tail move so much?
Well, Mr. S, as I keep saying, it's kind of like it has a life of its own. Right, Tail?
I sure do.
Who said that?
I did.
Wow, Triggs! Your tail is talking!
It does have a life of its own.
Isn't it amazing what you discover when you take the time to listen?
This is bonkers.
Hey, what? You never met a talking tail before? Now, Mr. S, I'm going to tell you why I move so much. Hey, yeah. I love to dance, dance, dance. It feels so good. I love to dance, dance, dance. I'd dance all day if I could. Wag your tail when you're feeling excited. Do your happy dance and don't try to hide it. Wag your tail, say you're happy and show it when you're feeling good. Let everyone know it. I love to dance, dance, dance. It's so much fun. I love to dance, dance, dance. Come on, dance, everyone!
Want to dance, Mum?
Yes.
Wag your tail when you're feeling excited. Do your happy dance and don't try to hide it. Wag your tail, say you're happy and show it when you're feeling good. Let everyone know it.
My tail tucks down when I'm nervous or sad. It goes straight up when I'm proud and glad. The waggy tail dance is his favorite thing to do. And you know what? It's my favorite too.
Let's all dance.
Come on, Dad. You know you want to.
Oh, okay then.
Wag your tail when you're feeling excited. Do your happy dance and don't try to hide it. Wag your tail, say you're happy and show it when you're feeling good. Let everyone know it. Wag your tail.
Ladies and gentle knights, welcome to this most epic spectacle. The greatest story as yet untold. The story of Maddie the Ninth. A long time ago there was a knight, Sir Maddie, who served the queen so bravely. Right by her side was her trusty dragon. Triggs was his name.
Oh, wow, that's me.
The queen sent them out to bring back happiness to the kingdom for everyone. friendly and helped in their quest for fun. They worked together and went back to the kingdom, bringing happiness to everyone. There was dancing and singing, thanks to the joy they were bringing. Maddie hugged her neutral friend, and Triggs said,
Let's rock again.
Maddie the night, so Maddie the night, without success in our mission. It's amazing what you can accomplish when you really take the time to listen.
Woohoo! Encore! Encore!
Thank you, and goodbye.
Maddie,
Yes, Triggs.
where's my teddy?
I don't know, Triggs. Also, I should probably clean my teeth now. But where did I leave my toothbrush?
I'll help you find Teddy, Triggs. And your toothbrush, Maddie. I'll just look under the... Ow! Oh! A wooden building block? What's that doing there? Actually, everything is all over the place. This house is a mess. And... your mum and dad are going to be home soon. We have to tidy up.
Quick, put the pillows back, toys and blankets too. This is the best night ever, best night ever. Hang the picture on the wall, dishes still need cleaning too. This is the best night ever, best night ever. I have to brush my teeth. So tired, time for bed. There's my book and my pajamas.
Come on, sleepyhead.
Thanks, Uncle George. That was the best night ever.
Well, everything we did was your idea. And we did a good job of tidying up. It's amazing what you can do when you really take the time to listen. Night, night, Maddie. Good night, Triggs.
Okay, let's inspect the damage.
Actually, everything seems to be in the right place.
And clean and tidy.
Maddie is asleep.
Triggs is asleep.
Oh, come on. There must be other things you really like about one another.
Well, I guess there could be more things.
Maybe we could try and remember, Triggs?
You kick up dirt when you run.
You splash when you run through a puddle.
You always hug the pillow.
You hug the blanket when we cuddle.
You prefer it when it's dark.
You like it better when it's sunny.
You like to tell a cheesy joke.
And you think a clown is funny. Wow! Like bangers and mash. We go great together.
We like different things,
But neither one is better. And that is how it should always be. Because I like you.
and you like me.
I like a rocket. Vroom!
I like the planet Mars.
We are both different, but both play among the stars.
We don't need to like the same thing.
How boring would that be? It's more fun that I like monkeys.
And I like jungle trees.
Wee! Like bangers and mash. We go great together. We like different things, but neither one is better. And that is how it should always be. Because I like you, and you
Right then, we're full of grub. Now let's go play. Ruff, ruff.
To the garden!
Wait, Maddie. It's very sunny out there. You're going to need some sunscreen.
Ugh, it's all gooey and sticky, Dad. Ew.
And don't forget your outdoor glasses, Maddie.
Thanks, Mom.
I have to say, Maddie, you were right about coming outside. This fresh air is brilliant. Woof.
I knew you'd feel better if you came outside to play, Triggs.
Oh, thanks, Birdie. You were only waking me up to tell me how nice it was.
I guess you'll know that next time you hear him singing in the morning.
Now, I heard there were some butterflies in this garden that needed a chase. I wonder where they could be.
Over here, Triggs, by the wildflowers.
Ah, there they are. Oh, there's some really pretty butterflies over here. Come here, you little butterfly. Oh, hey, come here, you.
Ah, Triggs, it's good to have you back. Thanks for helping us out, Birdie. Maybe one song for the road? I love to play with you up in the garden. It's hard to feel blue up in the garden. The shade feels nice and cool up in the garden. With my friends I feel brand new. We greet the day.
Come here, Mr. Butterfly.
Isn't it amazing the things you hear if you just take the time to listen?
Hey, Maddie, look at this stinky sludge I found in an old flower pot. Oh, it smells really bad.
Ooh, Triggs!
I know, it's really good. Oh.